Dive into the new original series, Lifeguard, Thursdays at 9, only on the Weather Channel. Now you're local on the 8s.
A tornado watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 62 degrees under cloudy skies. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, thunderstorms early. A few storms may be severe early. Low 49. Winds southwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. And on Tuesday, mainly sunny. High 61. Winds west at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, clear skies. Low 39. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And on Wednesday, sunny skies. Warm. High 72. Winds south at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's our 7-day outlook.
All of these storms in Louisiana are tapping dew points. That's a measure of the moisture in the air in the 70 range. That's huge amounts, especially when you get slow-moving storms. But it's in the 50s, high enough for severe thunderstorms all the way up to the Great Lakes. That's being pulled north by this upper low that a few days ago was down in the southwest. It is scooted now. You can see it spinning its way up into the Great Lakes. And on the tails of that are some cold air aloft that are pushing into the area. So we had some golf ball hail in Racine County, Wisconsin. Those storms have run now into central parts of Michigan. Could be some damaging wind gusts coming across the Long Lake, the Oscoda areas. And we might get even some isolated supercells that have a tornado chance farther down to the southwest across southern Michigan, maybe a slight chance into the Chicago area. It is an area where I've given a Torcon value today of 3, about a 30% chance of a tornado within 50 miles. So stay safe this evening. Vivian?